All I'm saying, I'm gonna do Family Guy, Brady Mac, and that's only two. You know how it is. They both comedy, man, and probably hoogly. Yeah, they episodes. Some of the old ones, new ones. Hey, I don't even care. But look, if you like it, just like it. If you don't like it, I understand. Cause it's many people who like other stuff. I can get used to it, but hey, just wait for it, man. Coming out in 2 weeks, man. See, got my little Cowboys hat on. But yeah, anyway, forget all that team stuff. Shout out to Diggy and them, yeah, his videos and all that. Yeah. And make sure he tell him to watch my videos and I'll watch his and everything. Alright. See y'all later. So anyway, stay tuned. That's all I gotta say, man. Stay tuned. That's all I gotta say. Stay tuned, man. We all hope y'all like it, bro.